Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about what we are retesting right now. So please guys join my Telegram group. The link is in the description, and it's a lot of fun there. It's still small, but it's growing pretty good. So first of all, what I'm seeing is that the total market cap is increasing again. The total too is increasing a little bit more. So that means that the Bitcoin dominance should go down a little bit and the altcoins should be green. So that's exactly, I mean, not all of them, but there are some that are making crazy gains. Like Auger, it's up 35%, which is huge. Now the shorts versus the longs, there is not much difference between this. Now let's go to the daily time frame on Bitcoin. So let me zoom in. You can see that we blasted out of this channel yesterday. So for me, that was the time to get in. Now, for every coin that I bought, I have put my stop losses, and I also opened a long. This one is on Binance, it's up 800. And this one is on bybit, it's up 300. So that's another 1k, and then I got my coins, which are up altogether for a lot, a lot. So guys, what I want to show you is that here on the daily, we have a bullish divergence. This is the bullish divergence, and also the money flow is going up. And the money flow here is also going up. And if I take the RSI, then you can also see that we crossed above the 50 line, which is also pretty bullish. Now, if I going to zoom in, then you can see that we crossed the 21 moving average. And this pink line right here is the 50 daily moving average. And the 50 daily moving average is one that is very important for me, at least, because you can see lots of confluences with it. Like here we fell through, we retested it and we failed. Here we found support on it. Here we found support on it. If I go back in time, then you can see that right here when we blasted through, we had resistance right here. Here we found a little bit support, we fell through. So I mean, you guys can see what I mean. Like, this was resistance, we broke through, we retested it, and again as support. So see, resistance, plus through, resistance, back down. So if we can break the 50 moving average on the daily, that would mean a lot to me to make a little bit of a how shall I say it, like confirmation that we are going to the bullish side again. So also, if I'm taking the Heiken Nashi candles, then you can see that we have created a golden dot right here, and it was right on the doji candle. So the golden dot is pretty powerful. Now let's go back in time and search for the previous golden dot that has shown on the daily. So here we have a golden dot. Now let's see what the price did from there. Let me make this. And so here we have that golden dot. So I'm going to take the price tool. So from right here, and this was here, the price was about 6,950, so 7,000. It went all the way up to 10,500, which is an increase of 52%. So these signals are very powerful. And also, if I'm going to the Bitcoin chart that I showed you guys a few times already, then let me enlarge this. Okay, so if I take the 3-day, then also what I showed you guys yesterday is that we had the halving, we had a bull run, we had a drop to, yeah, I can't go back in time, but if I could draw the line, then the 1.618 would be right about here. So then we had a continuation, so another leg up of about 1700%, and that took about 144 days before we reached the top of the second bull run. Then we had the bear market, and we had another halving, so the bull run started again because Bitcoin was getting scarcer. And from that point, we also had a drop, and that drop really literally also touched the 1.618 from the last bull run high to the bear market low. So that's one was touched, and then you see another leg up from 970%, which are 153 days, and to make the bull run high. From there we had another bear market, and if you connect this with the fib extension level, then you get this level around 30k. And what I'm expecting is that if you take the halving, the bull run up, the retest of the 1.618, and then from there we should get another pump for a few months. So in my yesterday's video I calculated it, and you see I took about 147 days, and just taking the half of the previous cycle, that should be about 450%, which should take the price up to 166,000. Is it possible? I think so. I was here in 2017, and yeah, as you can see, in 2017 from that drop we were about 1,800, and we went all the way up to 20k. So yes, it's possible. 4.5x from here. I know it sounds crazy, I know, but whenever I told people that I bought Bitcoin at $400, right, where is it? Somewhere around here. I stepped into the market, and then if I told some people that hey, it will go up to 5,000, I was crazy. They literally called me crazy. But then instead of 5,000, it went all the way up to 20,000. And what happens right here when we are about 10,000, 15,000, they all start to ask me, hey, how should I get in? How can I buy? And they all buy in. And what did the price do? Dumped. That's the thing, how those cycles work. Right after about a year, that was the best entry. So what I'm doing now is that if this happens, then I will just calculate a year from the blow off top that we can probably see here, and from there I will simply start buying, and I will put orders like crazy. Yeah, so that's the thing that I'm willing to do. Please guys, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Also join my Telegram group, and in the links down below this video there are bonuses to CryptoQuant and also to bybit, so you can trade with it. So let me check CryptoQuant fast. So there's also a tab that's called quick take, and there are some traders that are seeing lots of things, and if you join and you can see the info from other guys like the on-chain metrics, then you can see like this one is posted like nine hours ago. A short squeeze is an unusual condition that triggers rapidly and rising prices. So we had a huge short squeeze, and that will make that the price is going up. Just like here we had a short squeeze, and that resulted in the price going up. Here another short squeeze, and the price went up. Short squeeze, price went up. So guys, let me take the pro chart fast and check out how many Bitcoin got deposited. Right here we have 2,300. I'm going to take this metric. Here you can see this is the exchange reserve. So basically this is another chart that is making it easier to check out how many bitcoins there are on exchanges and ready to be sold. So it went up from 250,000. Let me check. 16. Oh, there are only 2,000 Bitcoin. This is not much, guys, but this spike, this one was a lot. And I'm pretty sure that if I'm going to take the price chart, that from there you can see. Let me do that again. I'm going to stand here on this line. I'm going to the price chart. Look what's going to happen. From there, with that spike, we dropped from 31,800 all the way to 29,000. So this thing is really cool, and it gives you some upfront information, which is really, really, really valuable. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe to this video, and hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye bye.